how to connect DHL to Shopify. First, go to left panel and then click on apps. Now go to all recommend apps, click on that. Now on the bottom, click on Shopify App Store. Now go to search and then here search for DHL. And there are a lot of apps, and this is the best apps, DHL Express Commerce. Click on that. After that, click on install. Now go to install. Now you need to enter your DHL username and password. After that, click login, and then your DHL will be connected to your Shopify store. So that's how you can do that. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.